Hi everyone, today we are making a beef short rib stew, and here we have got some beef short rib already braised on the fire. It's been marinated in some olive oil as well as black pepper. We've got some mushrooms as well with the same treatment. And then we have got bay leaf, oregano, thyme, rosemary. We've got beef stock, tomato paste, onions, and celery. Then we have got coriander and some garlic. And obviously one of our ingredients will be a black beer. First we start off with some olive oil. So we use an extra virgin olive oil. And now we are going to start with the onions, the celery, as well as the coriander. Now we add the garlic after browning the first lot. So now we're going to add the meat. The garlic has not been browned, we just put it in and heat it up. Then we're going to add the spices. While this is heating up, we add the tomato paste. We're going to add half a liter of the black beer. And remember, this is 1 kilogram of beef short rib. When bringing the pot to a boil, we add the beef stock. And then we're going to give it one good stir. Add some salt to taste. Remember, the beef stock is also salty. Close your pressure cooker. While we wait, we did the potatoes and the carrots so long. Okay, we're going to close it and set it for another 20 minutes. Alright, all done. We're going to let it rest for a little bit while we prepare the rice. Okay, after resting for about 15 minutes, we are ready to dish up.